hi.
Evening all, welcome back to the 2-Bit Science channel. It is the polar graph. I feel like I've matured enough as an artist to call myself maybe an abstract expressionist, just short of chopping my ear off. No, well, we'll have a bit of a look at what I've done here tonight. Hopefully I'll be able to help you guys out. This did take me a little bit to get right. So you can see there is a couple of different colors going on there. It's in the CYMK color format. And it's not done in the traditional polar graph manner. And it's done instead using the trace model. So if you have trouble using the trace, if this trace tab doesn't open for you, you are missing a module from your Windows install. And it's called this one. Called WinVDIG 105. You can find it online. It's basically a thing that takes well, gee, how would you describe it? It assists the program in creating vectors from images, which it thinks are from a camera. It's a very, very weirdly designed program, this thing. But anyway, basically, I took chillibird and messed with a whole bunch of settings. I got down a really solid base layer of black so you could tell it was chillibird, and then I've gone through with CYMK, values that I thought were appropriate. Who knows, maybe it's just bird on paper. Maybe that's what I'll call it, bird on paper. Isn't that a little bit avant-garde? I don't know, man. I'm a science graduate. I have no idea what I'm doing, but it does look very pretty. So that is chillibird. That's chillibird. Slipped a little bit on the way down, but I think it kind of adds to it. It's quite nice. So back to regular scheduled programming of famous people from history soon.